Guys, fish on. Fish on guys, fish on. Yan guys, so fish on. Fish on. Do not move, do not move. Stay, stay. Stay. Fish on guys, fish on. Yan guys, so.
Maybe I'm right. I told you, Daddy, there's a fish.
Yeah, this one. You see that guys? Okay.
Hi guys, we're going in the fishing.
So ngayon guys, sabi ng anak ko, so mag-fishing kami guys dyan guys, oh. Yan, dyan banda. So kukunin po namin yung gamit namin. Ayan. So syempre, may dala tayong timba. Ito, timba. Help me, bring this one. And then itong fishing rod natin, ito yung gagamitin natin. Tapos itong mga iba nating paraphernalia guys, dalhin natin to. Ayan. So tara na guys, let's go. Now guys, ready na tayo guys mag-casting. Ayan, no. So wormies yung pamakain natin. Ayan. Ready to cast na tayo. Dito tayo banda kasi may bata, delikado, masabitan. Ayan. Yeah. So unang cast, tingnan natin kung may mahuli. Ayan. Guys, fish on. Fish on guys, fish on. Ayan guys, so fish on. Fish on. Do not move, do not move. Stay, stay. Stay. Fish on guys, fish on. Ayan guys, so.
Maybe I'm right. I told you, Daddy, there's a fish.
Yeah, this one. You see that guys?
A fish?
Fish, yeah. Okay.
I want.
Ito yung huli namin guys, so na isda guys. Nakahuli kami. Ayan. Yan, ito siya kalaki guys, oh. Yan, oh. Yan, malaki. Yan. So kunin natin.
Fish. Kok, 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 kok. Kok, 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 kok.
Na ano niya talaga yung hook natin, nalunok.
Kok, kok. Do not let the fish die.
Yan.
Did you just take up the worm?
Yeah, just take off. So yan na guys.
Daddy, is it the worm is dead?
And then ito na guys, oh. Yan, ito yun, huli natin.
It is a fish. It's a great fish.
Yeah.
Put it in the tank. I show you where's the tank.
You watch that. No, no.
I want to watch the tank.
Okay.
You see? Look. Look at that. Oh,
So ayan guys, dyan muna namin ilagay yung huli namin na isda. Yan.
Daddy, let's take other fish.
Okay. Fish on guys. Malaban guys. Yan. Maliit pala guys. Rinya, you don't see?
Other fish. It's a baby fish.
It's a baby fish. Maliit lang guys ang nakuha
I
natin.
told you, Daddy. I told you there's a fish.
Yeah.
Daddy,
There's-
is it Daddy say
there's
wrong? Daddy, is it I'm right?
Yeah, you're right.
I told you. What
So-
are you talking about? Oh, fishy, fish. It's still alive. Baby.
You want more fish?
Yeah.
Ano natin to guys. Yan, no? Nalunok talaga niya guys. Wala na. Malala yung tama nito guys. Kasi nalunok talaga niya guys. Ayan o. Ito na, dugong-dugo siya guys. Hey, stop it. Guys, casting uli guys. There's fish guys. Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on guys. Yes. Yes. Fish on. Yes. Fish on. Yes, this fish on. Yes. So ibang klase to guys na isda oh. Kulay puti guys. Ang isda. Ayan oh.
Come on, yes.
Yeah, fish on.
Yes. Thank you, Daddy.
Are you happy now that we get fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't wanna go home.
Tanggalin na natin to guys. Oop, nahulog. Wala na. Huli na siya. Ayan. So kulay puti siya guys. Ito kulay puti. Ayan. So dito natin ilagay guys. Oh. Ayan. Ayan. And sa ayan na. Nakahuli na tayo ng tatlo. Ayan, buhay na buhay yun. Yun ang buhay na buhay guys. Kita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Fish on. Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on. Rainier, there's a fish. There's a fish. Look. Look. There's a fish again. Ayan. Move, 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 move. Move. There's a fish. Look. Fish on again guys. Ayan guys oh. R. Rainier. Yeah.
The other one fish is still alive.
Still alive. Oh, so
The other one.
kuha ulit kami guys. Laki ng tiyan no. Parang buntis ata to.
Thank you, Daddy.
Ayan. Tanggalin natin to. Tanggalin. Ayan.
Thank you, Daddy. Take a fish.
Yeah, yeah. Oops. Careful. Go there, that side.
A fish. Daddy, I can see the worm in the back.
Yeah. Tanggalin natin to. Tanggalin yung ano niya. Nalunok niya yung ano guys. Yung pamain natin. Kawawa tong isda na to. Open your mouth. Ayun no. Layo guys. Ang layo. Ayan. Kuha natin guys. Lagyan natin ulit dito sa ano natin. Timba natin. Ayan. So nadagdagan na. Ayan guys. Oh. Meron na tayong bali 4 na huli. 4 na yun guys. Dagdagan pa natin yan. Fish on. Rainier. Fish again. Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on guys. Fish on. It's here. It's here. It's good. Fish on again guys. Fish on.
Again, fish.
Go there, go there.
Thank you, Daddy.
Here niya. Go there.
Thank you, Daddy.
So meron tayong huli guys. So ito na naman. Ayan. So pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan oh. Parang bangus sa atin guys ba? Yung ganitong isda guys. Yung sa atin pa para siyang bangus guys. Kamukha siya ng ano bangus. Ayan o. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. So tanggalan natin ng hook. Yan. Nalunok niya. Yan. Oops. Wait lang. Yan. Kuha rin. So ito na guys oh. So para siyang bangus guys. Kulay silver siya guys. Yan, so ilagay natin dito guys oh. Yan. So marami na yan guys. Marami na yan. Oh. Wow. Fish on guys, fish on. Fish on guys. Oh. Fish on guys.
Almost there.
Fish on. Yun, fish on guys. Fish on. It's here now. I see it. I see it. Move. This one guys. Fish on again.
Again.
Natawa yung anak ko guys. Yan. Huli again guys. So ito yung ganito guys. Oh. Yung parang bangus guys ba. Yan oh. Oops. Yan. Ganito guys ba. Parang bangus. Yan. So oops. Yan oh. Oop. Yan natin. Fish on. Yan. Natin. Hindi natin kasi nalunok pa naman niya yung ano natin.
I'm happy now.
Oh, parang nag-upira tayo nito guys. Yan oh. Ayun, tanggal na. Fish on. Lagay natin doon sa timba natin. Yan guys. Yan guys oh. Ito na guys. Yan. Ito, ito natin oh. Oh, marami-rami na tayong huli guys. Yan, kita na yan oh. Kita na yan guys. Marami-rami na tayong huli. Yan. Casting huli guys. Guys, fish on. Fish on guys. Fish on.
I think there's nothing.
There's a fish.
Okay, there's a fish.
Yeah, I knew it.
Okay, there's a fish. Fine. Yes, you're right.
Told you. Told you. What are you talking about, Rainier?
Better back. Better back.
Wait. There's a hook.
Oh! Can I put the fish or no?
Yeah, you can put it there now. Wait.
Does the fish hurt you? Yes or no?
No.
Oh.
Put a fish there. Take off your gloves.
But my hand gonna get dirty.
Daddy will put it there.
Fine, I put it.
Oh, take off your gloves.
Okay. Can I wash my hand?
Yeah, later.
What
Hold
if
two
I
hands.
hurt this one?
No, it will not get. Hold two hands. Careful. Nilagay na doon guys sa timba namin. Siya na naglagay. Ayan. Basta dalawa na huli. Oh, maliit.
Two fish, Daddy.
Hindi ko alam kung anong uri itong isda eh.
So many fish. What fish we have?
Ngayon ko lang ito nakuha eh.
The fish. Look how
Ito, yung ganito.
Look, we got all fish.
Malaki ah.
Look.
Gubi.
Ha?
One fall down.
Ito?
Fall down. Oh dear. One fall down, one fall.
Picture ko.
Hmm.
Kaya hindi nakita yun. Malaki ah.
So, one fall down.
Kasi ngayon ko lang ito nahuli din eh.
So,
Ang ganito.
so many. There he is. Our bucket.
Buntis pa itong isa.
Maraming itlog.
Maraming itlog.
It's our bucket.
Sa ilalim ang kanyang mga to.
We have so many fish.
Gubi. Lalaki.
Kubi pangalan nito?
Gubi.
Gubi. Kasi ngayon ko lang ito nakuha na gumamit ako ng bulati.
Bulate. Bulate. Kanya makuha sa mga bato.
Put the fish. Put the fish. Put the fish. So many fish we have. More. More fish. More.
Nadubli.
So many fish. Look, so many fish we have. So many. We have so many fish. Oh,
Touch na yan.
Doon sa kuwan talaga. Sa Usikapong Cave. Malalaki yung mga perch doon. Kasi wala masyadong ano doon ba, naki-fishing.
Kahit mga Pinoy wala din.
Yung mga bagong dating lang na nagtatrabaho doon sa doon sa Bateros, mga welder. Sila lang doon naki-fishing.
Ang trabaho dun, shipyard din.
Hindi shipyard, gumagawa sila ng yung mga tubo ba. Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on guys. Fish on guys. Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. God, lumalaban siya guys. Look.
fish! A fish! A fish!
Move, move,
A fish! A fish! A fish! A fish! A fish is there! Wow, a fish is there!
So guys, fish on.
Look, it's so glow. Look, the fish is so glow. Hey, Daddy, look! Daddy, look, the excavator digging here. They're digging.
So dito guys, meron ng excavator. Yan, casting ulit tayo guys. Yun. I think guys, fish on ulit guys. Fish on guys, fish on. Fish on guys. Fish on. Basta hindi lang makawala guys. Fish on guys, oh. Wala na. Parang nakita ko na guys. Merong fish. Meron guys, yan.
Fishy! A fish!
Yan, move guys. Move bar, move bar. Move, move, move.
Oh!
Yan guys.
Can I
Ito
put
guys.
the fish?
Ito guys. Guys. Yeah, you can put
Really?
this one guys.
Daddy? Really?
Oh. Kulay puti guys. Nice da. Yan. To. Ooh. Oop. Oop. Ganda to guys. Sarap to na isda guys. Ano. Kawawa to guys. Oh. mahirap na kasi nalunok niya guys eh. Almost dead.
Almost dead.
Yan, kuha na guys.
You
Yan guys, oh.
almost kill it. Oh no, no.
Guys, kuha natin. Yun, marami na.
What are you doing?
So ngayon guys, tapos na kami mag-fishing guys. So uwi na kami. So bali ito yung kuha ko guys. So pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan.
Going.
Medyo marami tayong huli ngayon guys. May pang-ulam na tayo. Ayan.
Hi guys. We finished fishing and then we go mommy's work and then we go home.
Okay.
Not the end.
So ito na guys, yung huli natin kanina na isda. Ayan na, niluto na natin. Pinarito na. Ayan o. Ayan, prito ng isda. So may mixed bass kami. So ito na yung second batch guys na isda na niluto natin. Ayan.